I just got a brand new MacBook, like the one I used to use in ministry, and you can bet the first thing I'm gonna do is slap a case on it. You gotta take care of your stuff. Now I got a pretty good deal on it, but stick around and I'll let you get my first impressions and thoughts as I open it up. And I'll help you decide if you should get one too, coming up. Hey guys, my name's Curtis Riley, aka Preach from The Real Rileys. Our goal is to give real advice for real life. And trust me, I've made plenty of mistakes for you to learn from. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on faith, a channel on how-tos, a channel on online business, and a channel on marriage. So check them out. But the purpose of this channel is to discuss real worship, real preaching, and real ministry. But we also offer online courses, coaching, church consultations, and more. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying it. And as our free gift to you, we wanted to hook you up with a mini course in PDF called the Sermon Outline Guide. It'll make sure that you never get stuck writing your sermon ever again. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now let's get into it. This video was originally made for our online business channel, but I used a MacBook and the case for the MacBook so much in ministry that I thought you guys would like it too. Here's what it looks like. And I'll put our affiliate link in the description below in case you want to grab one for yourself. Plus it helps support us. Let's open this bad boy. I actually went with a clear color. I usually go with black because I like black, but I was like, man, this is kind of black already. I talk about the color and everything in our other video of the unboxing of the MacBook, but I was like, man, I don't want to cover up the color. I want to see what the actual MacBook looks like and the quality of it. So went with clear this time. There we go. And we got some instructions. If you're a man, just kidding. I usually use the instructions. All right, let's get this guy opened up. Like I said, I highly recommend getting a case because you spend a little bit of money on a case for a computer that you spent a lot of money on, and I've dropped them before. You'd rather damage this affordable case than your computer. And what's really cool about these packs, and I try to always get these too, like this one specifically comes with this clear protector for your screen. Like, why not? Why not protect your screen? That's really cool. Screen protector. That helps you clean it off if you're going to apply it and do stuff like that. Little pads to protect for the bottom if these fall off, which sometimes they do. You know, they fall off. You throw some new ones on there if you lose them. This little bag here looks to me like this little guy is for your power cable. So you can just stuff it in there and take it on the go. Then I got one of these. That's usually what I tell my boys when I'm comparing Pokemon or anything else I have in a video game. Got one of these. Here we go. The keyboard cover. Ooh, that's interesting. That is very interesting. Kind of sticky on the back side, but not so sticky on the front side. I like it. I like these. A lot of people don't like to use them. I will tell you, you get used to it. And I would never eat while I'm doing work or anything like that and get food crumbs. Yes, I would. And this saves me so many times. Here we go, the hard shell. Let's crack this guy open. Oh, Judah. Judah. I'm so sorry, son. I gotta do this without you. Oh, and we got a double. Watch this. Oh, yeah. And it's cool because look how shiny that is. Oh, get this last little piece. Here we go. Perfect. Ooh, that's nice. And you got these, which I don't know what they go to because I threw away the instructions. Hey, can I stop you right there? And will you take 1 second to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell? That helps support us and it'll help us to continue to make content just like this. So that's our top. Let's get our bottom going. Let's see what the bottom piece looks like here. Oh yeah, here we go. Nice. Beautiful. Very clean, very shiny. Seems like it's good. I'll put the screen protector on later, but make sure you follow our how-to channel if you don't already, and I'll show you how to put on phone and computer screen protectors. All right, now you're supposed to start with the bottom, and you're supposed to start on the back of the bottom and pop her in. There we go. Feels like it's in place. It's got little clips here on the front. After you slide it in the back, those little clips just pop on. And then we'll start with the back, and you can see you got the little clips there as well. And the clips go on the front. So we'll start this on the back, and we will, as you can see, clip it right there onto the front. See what it looks like. One of the best ways to grow your church is to grow in the area of preaching. So I want to encourage you to check out our online course called the Power Preaching Plan. I'll explain to you how to use the outline for any sermon and any message so that you never get stuck again. Plus, you'll be able to organize all your thoughts in a sermon that's clear and easy to understand. Just go to therealrileys.com. Yeah, not bad at all. So far, I like it. Like I said, I normally go black, but I kind of like the clear. It looks kind of crisp and clean. You gotta make sure you keep the inside clean. But yeah, it looks good. It's got a good fit. Still doesn't make the computer too bulky. And let's check this thing out. This is the thing that everybody hates. But I'm telling you, if you type, you get used to it. Let's see how it fits. Yeah, it fits on there pretty good. Not too bad. And you can still see the black. Still looks black, doesn't change the color. Let's give it a tippity type test. Looks pretty awesome to me, and now I don't have to worry about dropping my Mac. If you want to get one for yourself, check the description below. Now it's time to get real. Comment below and let us know which one of these features are you most excited about for your online business. And I want to encourage you to check out one of our online communities where you can be encouraged, ask questions, and your question might even be answered in the next live Q&A. Check out some of our other videos like how to never get stuck writing your sermon, or branch off and check out one of our other channels like how to study the Bible. I hope this video was super helpful for you, but until next time, keep it real.